what? The Christmas is by the corner. And as I'm talking to you, our Christmas packages are ready. When you get one plot of new Banana Highland from us, you are getting one full bag of rice. 50 kg bag of rice. You know what's up for rice now money. You are getting gallon of oil, you are getting carton of Indomie, you are getting a full basket of hamper for the Christmas season. This kind of promo, I never see am before. So make you quickly and sharply dey rush, dey call my number. You know how we dey run am now, quickly dey dial am 09034296519. You don't know what's up. I dey tell you what's up, say, hey, new Banana Highland, get this Christmas full package attached to it, which I just mentioned. Bag of rice, hamper, Indomie, gallon of oil. So quickly call me because a plot of new Banana Highland is 7 million naira. And inside new Banana Highland, we have PrimeRose Court, a service estate that is going for 12 million naira for one plot. Wetin you gonna wait for again? You don't need wait for anything, no. This new Banana Highland is located in Port Harcourt, River State, just off Odili Road here. Wetin you dey wait for? Come madam, good news, because the good news mama don land again gidigba like this. And the number again to call is 09034296519. I dey wait for you.